Hello team, I'm Vini Cordova, a React Native developer with more than 8 years working with React Native and creating applications. I just finished the crypto wallet app that I received for challenge, and I want to show you a brief about how I challenged this task. After I received the document challenge, I saw some links on here that I explored to know if the features requirement on this document are available to support with this SDK. I focused my attention on React Native Quick Start, the existing example of this SDK implementation, and well, also the other ways in how to implement this SDK. I took the other way, an exist EXPO project, then add those SDKs and libraries to this new project. And well, in the last or next steps on this document, I saw some reference on how to use this wallet and the different actions I can send on with this SDK, like send, receive, swap. Also, take a look to the different currency values that I could use and support into applications. Then I explored the competitors on the market. I saw the Bitvavo app and the flow that this Bitvavo app uses for manage the wallets and the cryptocurrency chains. Also, the trading options that Bitvavo has on its app. eToro is also a good competitor, provides a different way and different manners for trading, buy, sell, and swap cryptos to do this trading. Exotic is another app that has the focus on cryptocurrencies. Coinbase was another good example to evaluate, and the last one that I saw was Best Wallet. With all these options, I learned more about how a crypto wallet works on the real world and what actual competitors provide to its user and reduce the frictions to use the crypto wallets. With all this info, I created some prompts for Stitch to generate some views that match the requirements on the document. Additionally, I leverage my UI presentation using some reference for about good design, like Apple Wallet and the other cryptos. With that references, I generated an accurate view for all the screens that I will create on my application. It includes markets, send, receive, swap the currencies, also according to requirements, multiple wallet support, scan QRs, support multiple currencies, see the transactions, and additionally to the requirements on the document, I added some features that also the SDK on the Tether SDK supports. After creating the design with Stitch AI, I download the design and add it to my code base. Then I use some LLM models with AI agents to convert all that designs to code. At the same time that agent was creating the views that match this style that I downloaded from Stitch AI, other agents working in a multi-agent interface controlled the methodologies that I asked for this project, like screaming architecture, talking about the architecture, and all the components, constant hooks, models, services that can be reused globally on this app, and methodologies for design, like atomic design, that provides a good way in how we control and manage the elements and views in on the application. Then I added the double D key Tether SDK to my application to support the functionalities of my application. And I generated the Tether wallet app. With Tether wallet app, you can create multiple wallets, import that wallets. In this occasion, I starting from zero, so I will create a new wallet. In that new wallet, you could use you as user could use many cryptocurrencies, send, receive that currencies, make some trends with this app for that currencies, and see the different balances according your selections. You could swap through currencies, and when swapping, can select multiple cryptocurrencies, deciding which one swaps, obviously according your wallet cards. As same as this, can send different currencies from your wallet cards, can scan in case you need to scan a QR from a friend, and see the different fees that this wallet gets for this chance, receive and send transactions. Also, could receive currencies into your wallet. You show a QR for the currencies you want to receive. Also can copy paste that into some chat or send this for text. All transactions you do or receive or swap on the wallet will be seen on this latest transactions area or in the view transactions screen. And there you can filter all incoming and outgoing. Additionally to it, this wallet app supports multiple wallets that can be created, imported into the settings area. As example, Manage Wallet provides my users create new wallets or import wallets. In this occasion, we will create a second wallet. And in this second wallet, you could make other transactions that cannot be reflected on the main wallet. It could be switched from different parts on the app, like this, and you can continue, or obviously as user, importing other wallets or creating new wallets. For import, you could add an alias and the 12 phrases to import that wallet. If you want to export the wallet, also could see the backup seed phrase for that wallet on the setting area. For cities phrases and backup that words for recovery purpose, the user should press on this option. That option will provide a required implementation to authenticate the user. In this occasion, I will match my face again. Okay, it's matched. And if I confirm this, I will be allowed to copy paste this text. The biometrics provide security to my app. Other place where I implemented the biometrics requirement is on the unlock app. When you open and unlock the app, there you can select the wallet you want to use on this occasion, and it will require the user for its biometric. Look, now I confirm this and open my crypto wallet to do many transactions on it with the different cryptocurrencies. I could mention that create this app was possible thanks to the double D key SDK that provides a good way to other agents make scrapping and recovery the info on this site, and also the clear information that it provides and the different support for the currencies, for the cryptocurrencies, helped me to create this application really fast because the challenge was just 48 hours. About the two things that challenged me during this challenge, I could mention the first one is implement the double D key SDK into my new app with EXPO Go, because I started creating the app with EXPO Go, then I pre-built that for use the EXPO Bear mode, and when I implemented that double D key SDK, I look for a compatible version that don't crash other libraries I need to use on this app. Match the version of the React Native, match other modules to make them compatible, and check if my app builds to Android and if that also compiles for iOS. And the second challenge on this challenge is the 48 hours deadline to create a functional product that competes on the market with the existing big competitors and have that same level UI interface, interaction, and low friction with user was a challenge to solve in these 48 hours. To finish, I hope you appreciate the code quality, the best practices on my repo, the clean code, also the UI I generated and used it for this application, and use all the features that Double D Key provides according to the challenge documentation for complete this challenge. Also, I have some ideas and next step for this wallet app, like the contactless payments. It means put a phone near to another phone, opening this wallet app, and use the NFC communication to make payments or send or and receive currencies instead of use the QR, and making it a more accurate experience for the user just doing near transactions on its phone. But this is all from my side for now. Let's see later.